Impact Focus lets you create as many spaced repetition learning campaigns as you would like. You may wish to create a campaign for each cohort of learners taking a particular course or training event, or as an educator, you could perhaps set up different learning revision campaigns for the same class across different topics, for example in preparation for upcoming exams. It's entirely up to you. The campaigns menu screen will show you all campaigns that have been created by admins on your platform. This list view will be very familiar to anyone that has already used WordPress. For each campaign, you get a quick numbers overview for registered users, live users, and complete users. A registered user is any single user that has been assigned to this campaign, and each user can also either be live, meaning that they are still receiving question emails, or complete, meaning that they have either answered the set amount of questions that we have entered for the campaign, or that the campaign itself has ended for all users. So the live and complete user numbers, when combined, will always total how many users are registered. The status of the entire learning campaign is shown in this far right hand column, which will display draft if the campaign is yet to be published, active when the campaign is currently sending daily emails to live users, or campaign ended when it has finished sending out emails for all registered users. Even when a campaign is ended and emails are no longer being sent to registered users, we are still able to access the report screen anytime we wish in order to view the results.